Lizzie, say Happy Father's Day, Daddy.
Happy birthday! Hello. Daddy.
Daddy's race car is gone, isn't it? Say it. It's okay.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Daddy. Daddy.
Okay, hold on.
Daddy's car is gone.
Yes, Daddy's car's gone. Can you show him how you count to 13?
Run.
Uh-huh. Good job. 3. 4.
5.
Uh-huh.
4. 5. 4.
Can you say 6? Come over here. 7.
3. 2.
Can you say 7? What comes after 7? 8. 9.
10. 11.
Mhm. What comes after 11? 12.
12.
And what's that last number? 13. Say 13.